Hi everyone, welcome back on my channel. I hope you are doing fine. Today I want to show you 9 different layouts that I came up for monthly calendars. But before that, I want to briefly talk about today's sponsor, Skillshare. Skillshare is an online learning community for people who want to learn from educational videos. You can find thousands of classes that go from hand lettering, digital art, the use of Procreate or other drawing tablet app, bullet journal classes, social media managing classes, business classes, and many more. So it has everything that you can think of. It's a monthly subscription service and it costs $10 per month, and it's very cheap for art classes. I can give you 2 free premium months so that you can try it and see if it's something that you can find useful. It's free for commitment, so for example, if you decide to keep using it, you don't have to pay anything. So if you want to give it a try, I have a code that you can find down below so that you can use it to sign it. I always have a lot of fun coming up with different monthly calendar spread. So in this video, I'm going to show you 9 different layouts, and I tried to include layouts that were as different as they could from each other. I like to divide monthly calendar spread into 2 different categories. One is the 1-page layout and the other is the 2-page layout. As you can see, I'm started off with my 1-page layout spread, and to be honest, I think I prefer this one instead of the 2 pages layout, because I find it more cozy, while the 2 pages spread are perfect when you have a busy month and you need to write down a lot of things and you need to be organized. But of course, this is my preference, and let me know in the comment down below which one you like more. As you will see, I've tried to keep these ideas as simple as I could. For example, not using a lot of colors or a lot of doodles, etc. Because I just want to give you an idea of what type of spread you can come up with the monthly calendars. Of course, then it's up to you to choose the layout that you prefer the most and incorporate it with your theme using, I don't know, the style that you are currently using, for example, with stickers, washi tape, or just black and white. The video is pretty much self-explanatory. I'm not going to comment everything that I'm going to do, so I hope you will enjoy it, find the perfect layout for you, and if you happen to use one of these ideas, tag me, for example, in Instagram, so that I can see how you transform the spread using your style. thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you found it helpful, and as always, don't forget to subscribe so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. And if you have some suggestions, for example, some way that I can improve my videos, or something that you would like to see in the future, please comment it down below. Thank you again, and see you next time. Bye bye!